Well, I got some new goodies today from the Pi Hut. And actually, I got some stuff to play with the Raspberry Pi Pico. What we got in here? There's a couple of N20 motors, and the Pi Hut have these Adafruit ones, which actually come with a magnetic encoder built in, or readily made. You don't need to solder because it also comes with this handy connector, and it's also got all of the wires broken out here. And I got a pair of those. And then I've got this, and this is pretty exciting. This is a mini Arducam mini camera shield. So that's a 2 megapixel, and that's an SPI camera. Now, I've no idea if this is going to work. My plan is to try this little camera with the Raspberry Pi Pico. Let's see, what have we got? I'm holding the camera with one hand, so I'm using that's just a connector cable, and there's the camera. There's quite a few pins in there. Let's see if we can focus on that, but we can see it. Clock select, MOSI, MISO. That's going to be, oh sorry, it's chip select, and the next one's clock. Ground, VCC, oh SDA and SCL, so it's I2C or SPI. I don't know what that chip is, maybe later I can figure out what that chip is. And there's your camera with, well, quite a big looking lens on it actually. Or is that just a, yeah, there's a lens on there. Well, why not? So, going to see if at some point I can connect that to a Raspberry Pi Pico. Awesome.